My name is Anand Kumar Jha and you are watching Code with me. So in the previous video we talked about the different kind of data types pick list and numbers and Gmail, and in the recent videos we talked about the different pick list type like multi-select and simple pick list. So in this video we are going to talk about relationships in Salesforce. I am not talking about that relationships, relationship in Salesforce. What is relationship and what kind of relationships and what is the limitations which we used in the relationships in Salesforce. But there is one thing I'm going to say, that you are not sharing this video and subscribing this channel. So please do that and let's start. So I just make some content here about relationships, and I search out from Google's and from my experience and just paste it here, and let's talk about theory types today. And in the next video we are going to see the practicals, how to create relationships in proper orgs in Salesforce in our application. Like we are already created objects in teacher and a student object, and we are going to create relationship between them, like appointment kind, which is both are related to each other. So in a simple way we can say that the relationship is a way in which two or more people or things are connected, or in the Salesforce we can say that two or more objects are connected to each other. So Salesforce object is nothing but a two-way association between two objects. One object is information is linked to another object, and in Salesforce.com, object relationship is created between two objects or more than two objects, and hence the custom field or of an object contain links to another objects. You know that the why we need relationships, like in relational database there is a relationship between foreign key and primary key. Similar concept is applied here also. So why we need to apply the relationship in Salesforce? There are two reasons. First one is data redundancy and second one is data integrity. Like sometimes what happen, different kinds of person have similar data. At that time that data is repeated again and again. So that's why we need to create a relationship in Salesforce. And the Salesforce by default supports one or many relationships, one or many or many to many. We There is a separate concept about many to many relationship, which is known as a junction object also. For creating many to many relationship, we are going to see that in the practicals when we are going to create that. So there are two kinds of relationship in Salesforce basically. There are multiple kinds, but two is very famous, like a lookup relationship and the master detail relationship, which is mentioned here. So in both ways you can establish the many one to many relationships, and there is some kinds of limit, means that we can't exceed that limit when we are going to create relationships. Per object we have to only 40 dependence relationship fields we need to create. Means there are two master detail relationship, and 38 can two can be the master detail relationship and 38 can be lookup relationships. So let's talk about lookup relationship in brief. So in a lookup relationship, it is used to establish one or many relationship between objects. Or a lookup relationship fields leads to the weak relationship. It is known as a weak relationship or loosely coupled relationships also. So in lookup relationships, it is not mandatory by default. We can create or not. It is not mandatory to associate every child with parents, like in some kind when we are going to create relationship. At that time we need to associate our childs to the parents sometimes, but in lookup relationship it is not mandatory to associate every child with parents. Once the parent when we created a lookup relationship, in that case if we delete our any parents, so in that case child is not going to be deleted. You can understand that the if you delete the parent, child is not going to be delete. So it is the one of the advantage of the lookup relationship, you can say that. And we cannot create roll up summary field also in the lookup relationship. Or in case of lookup relationship, child is not going to inherit the security and sharing settings of the parent object. Means the child object is totally independent from the parent object in case of lookup relationship. So let's talk about again a master detail relationship. So in master detail relationship is also used to create many to many relationships, or the master detail relationship is as compared to lookup relationship is very strong, and it is also called as tightly coupled. In master detail relationship, field is mandatory. We cannot make it required. Non-required. It is always required. When you create master detail relationship, you have to put the relations when you are going to filling the records. So it is required always in master detail field relationships. Every child is associated with the parent child. Every child is associated with parent child. If we are going to delete the parent child, your your child object is also going to be deleted. In case of master detail relationship, reparenting is not allowed. Not by default is going to be checked. You can make it required when you have to check that box. We will see that when we're going to do practical thing. And we can also create summary fields in case of the master detail relationship, or this is the basic concepts of master detail relationship and the lookup relationships. So after this video we are going to make another videos to how to create fields in practical way, like for teacher, and we have two objects, teacher and students. And for teacher and students, between there are going to be appointment, like a student wants to appointment from teachers to discuss some topics. So for that we are going to new objects which is known as appointment, and through that we can create lookup fields and master relationship. Both we will see that. So that's all for this video, and let's meet another in another video. In next video I'm coming to through this practical. So till tune to my channel and just keep waiting, keep subscribing and sharing this.